Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devi Dasi with a Jagannath Chappan Bhog recipe. When we think of Jagannath Puri, we definitely think about the Jagannath Mahaprasad. In Jagannath Puri, there is no limitation of prasad, and every day Lord Jagannath is offered with Chappan Bhoga. Today we are going to make Luni Kurma. Luni means salty. So this is a wonderful snack which is offered to Lord Jagannath as a Chappan Bhog. Luni Kurma is also known as Gotai and is one of the Sukhila or dry prasadam recipe. With lots of sweets, Jagannath is also fond of snacks. So today let's make a quick and instant chappan bhog recipe Luni Kurma. So let's begin. For this, take a mixing bowl and add 1.5 cup of wheat flour. Into this add 1 teaspoon of carom seed. Crush it against your palm and add it. Next add salt to taste. Now mix all this roughly using a spoon. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. Now combine it well with the dough. All the ghee must combine evenly with the flour. You can see the texture of the dough. Here we are able to form a lump. Now add some water and knead a dough. For this we need a hard dough, so add very little water at once. By crushing the carom seed and then adding enhances its taste more. So here I have added a little less than half cup of water. With this our dough is ready. You can see the texture of the dough. Now cover it and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. It has been 10 minutes. Let's check. Take the dough and give it a final knead for 1 to 2 minutes. I have kneaded it well. Now make small balls from the dough. Here I have made all of them. Now take a ball and press the dough ball to flatten it. These kurmas are thick, only are need to pressed using fingers. Traditionally, kurmas are not rolled. Similarly, press all the dough balls and flatten them. Our kurmas are almost ready. Now using a knife, make small cuts in the kurma so that they cook well from in. Now heat a kadai and add some ghee for frying. Now add the kurmas and fry them on low flame. Make sure that the ghee is not very hot and it's warm. Fry them until they turn golden. After 1 minute, flip it. I have shared many Jagannath Chappan Bhog recipe. Do not forget to visit our Jagannath Chappan Bhog recipes, whose link I have shared in the description box below. Fry this on low flame only. In the Jagannath temple, all the bhoga is cooked in ghee only. Therefore, it is important that even fry the khurma in ghee only. You can see the khurma have changed its color and turned crispy. Let's take them out. Similarly, fry all the khurmas. All the loni khurmas are fried and ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Jagannath. Our Jagannath Chappan Bhog Luni Khurma is offered and ready. Try out this amazing recipe and stay tuned to Krishna's Cuisine for more such bhoga offering recipes. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and be happy.